Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn experiments of Father Gregor Johann Mendel. We have seen in the last video, by profession he was a monk, and his work he did in the premises of his monastery. He has formulated the laws of inheritance and he is known as father of genetics. Today we are going to learn his experiments on the plants garden pea. Garden pea plants, the scientific name is Pisum sativum. Pisum is the generic name, sativum is the specific name. You know that when you write the scientific name, you have to follow certain rules like Pisum, capital letter starts with capital P, generic name always starts with a capital letter. Let me tell you why he chose garden pea plants for his experiments. There were many reasons. One, most available plant in his locality was the pea plants. This plant was very easily available for him in the premises of his monastery. Second reason was it has got a short lifespan. So since the lifespan is very short, he could conduct experiments in many generations. That's why he chose a plant with a short lifespan to conduct many experiments in many generations of the plant. And the plant, you know, it's a bisexual plant. That is, all the flowers of pea plants are bisexual. That is, the stamens and pistil both are there in the same flower. So he could conduct self-pollination and cross-pollination for his experiments. He was acting as an agent of pollination. So bisexual flowers. In the bisexual flowers of pea plants, he could conduct self-pollination as well as cross-pollination. And another reason was the pea plant shown variety of characters or traits. For example, the pea plants produce the flowers of different colors, some purple, some white, and about the length, some were tall, some were short, like that. You can see the flower which is red in color and the white flower, and tall pea plants, short pea plants. Some flower buds were axial, that is, they are forming in the axis formed by the branch and the main stem. Axial bud. Some were terminal bud, that is on the extreme tip of the plant. So this way, so many contrast characters he could focus at. So these were the reasons Mendel chose the garden pea or Pisum sativum for his experiments. In the next video, we will discuss the experiments conducted by Mendel on garden peas. Thank you.